Meaning of graded.
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 Graded. The term graded generally refers to the process of evaluating or assessing something according to a set of criteria or standards. This can include assigning scores, rankings, or classifications, based on a variety of factors such as performance, quality, difficulty level, or proficiency. The outcome of a grading process typically serves to indicate the level of achievement or effectiveness of the object being evaluated. Whether it is a student's academic performance, a product's usability, or a piece of music's complexity, grading is a crucial tool for measuring and comparing performance and progress.